Hey my friends, my name is Richard Weberg for those of you who do not know me, and in today's video I want to talk about a course that we have gone through that is absolutely the best, put on by John Crestani, that will definitely teach you how to do search engine advertising, create AdWords ads, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, Bing ads, LinkedIn ads, and plenty of other ad networks. And I just want to say that for the most part, a lot of our subscribers, and by the way, if you haven't subscribed yet to our YouTube channel, right below this video there should be a little button or a little link to subscribe, or the word subscribe, to subscribe to my YouTube channel here so that you do not miss any other videos that we do or I do. So get that done right away. Just hit that button so you can subscribe, or the word so you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I first want to say that a lot of times we recommend to a lot of the people that we know and we're doing business with solo ads, because we are in the make money online niche. And so solo ads are very effective in our marketing campaigns, and so we recommend highly solo ads to a lot of people and a lot of different solo ad vendors that we are using because we are building our own campaigns for stuff. And one of the things that we are not experts on, and that we wanted to become better experts on and learn, was search engine marketing, advertising on Bing, advertising using YouTube ads, Facebook, different ad networks that are out there, because they are one of the highest converting that you can possibly do. Solo ads are effective, but search engine marketing and all these different ad networks are the highest converting that you can possibly put any of your promotions on. It's because people are searching for exactly what you have. So we're not experts, so I'm not doing a course on it, or my son John is not doing the course on it, but we're recommending John Crestani because this is how he has made literally millions and millions and millions of dollars, is by using these ad networks and search engine marketing. And he is an expert on it. I mean, he is the man. You see him everywhere. And if you have not gone through his course yet, you're going to want to do it, especially if you're looking to really put your business on the map, or explode your income, no matter what niche you are in, because John's marketing course is one of the best it is the best. It's the best that we have ever been through, ever seen. It literally is going to walk you by the hand and teach you step by step how to do effective campaigns on these ad networks and get you results. He is the man. He is the person you want to learn from. So we're obviously not going to do a campaign on it ourselves to teach you, because we are in that learning curve as well right now. But I wanted to get this video out here immediately and recommend John's course, because I was completely blown away by the stuff that John Crestani is teaching and how he's teaching it. And it's how he's teaching it. And he has a webinar that you can jump on, and that's what we recommend first, is exactly what we did. Is you go and if you're interested in learning this stuff, you go and get on his webinar, because it's going to start walking you through exactly what to expect, what he's going to show you how to do, and how he's going to keep helping you to learn this stuff and implement it in your business, because this is the most effective advertising that you possibly can do with the highest conversions. And if you don't know, YouTube has become the largest search engine in the world. And you definitely want to get your ads on YouTube, because they are just damn profitable. But there's no better person to teach you how to do that than John Crestani. He is an amazing guy. I've spoke to him several times. I've been in conversations with him on Skype, and he's just an amazing guy that's put together an amazing lifestyle by mastering these different ad networks and utilizing them to the highest degree. And that's exactly what he's going to be able to show you how to do. If we could do it, I would have done a how-to video on it myself, because that's what we do. Anything that we are masters at, we always teach to the people around us, because we really want people to get the results they're seeking. Myself and my son, John Weberg, have 27 plus years experience in internet marketing and being in the make money online niche. And we can teach people a lot of stuff. In fact, we are diamond earners in a company called Now Lifestyle because of how effective we are at marketing. And we're just being honest here. I'm being honest that this type of marketing, I am not a master at. Neither is my son John a master at it. But we are mastering it with John Crestani, and that's exactly what we want you to do. Because if you want to explode your own, for many of you following us, you're in Now Lifestyle with us, and even if you're not, doesn't matter what you're promoting, whatever you're doing out there, and you want to get results for it, doesn't matter. This is the course to use to learn how to truly just scale your business into the millions of dollars. And that's exactly what John Crestani has done. So below this video, I'll leave some links to an opt-in page that you can opt in to learn more, so that you'll be then brought to John Crestani's page, so you can actually register for the upcoming webinar. And you want to make sure that you set aside time and get on that webinar so that you can learn exactly what he's going to be able to help you do. We'll be on it. It's just an amazing, amazing course that you really need to get your hands on if you truly want to blow up your business and learn how to advertise with YouTube ads and Bing ads and Facebook ads and all these different ad networks that are out there, and how to truly explode your business into the millions of dollars. And if you're brand new to marketing, you're just learning, and you came across this video, don't worry. John can literally walk you by the hand from a complete newbie with zero experience. That does not matter. It does not matter where you are at currently. It just matters where you want to go and how fast do you want to get there. And we always give everybody the best that we possibly can. And that's why I'm doing this video today, because we really want to expose everybody that's in contact with us or that comes in contact with us, because there's no better person ever to learn from, to learn this style of advertising, because it is one of the most effective ways to build your online income that exists. Other than that, my friends, jump on that webinar with us. There'll be a link below in the description. Just click on under the video, see more or learn more. Whatever it says underneath there, you'll start seeing the description, and there's a little thing you can click on to see more, so you can get the link to that webinar and jump on it with us. And other than that, my friends, we hope you have a fabulous day, and we will see you on another video.